Alright, so we're going to do some practice measurement together. So we're going to do the first question. It says we want to measure the shape in fractional inches. So the first thing I have to do is I have to decide which side of my ruler to use. This side says centimeters, so I don't want that. I'm going to flip it around to my inches. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the beginning of the shape right on the 0. And then I am going to record all the way to the end. So I'm going to start by saying what my full inch value is. So I have 1, 2, 3 full inches. I don't quite have 4, so I'm going to write 3. And now I want a fraction. And if you remember, each one of these lines is 1/16 of an inch. So if I count all of these over, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so then I would say this is 15/16, and then I'm going to put my unit of inches. Okay. Another way, if you're struggling with your fraction, you can use your fractional inch. I counted over 15. My fraction is 15/16. Alright, if I would have had something like 14/16, I would reduce it down to 7/8. But 15/16 doesn't reduce, so I'm going to keep that as is. If I look at the next one, I want to measure the shape in millimeters. So millimeters means I got to use the other side, the SI side of my ruler, and I'm going to line this up with my 0, and then I'm going to go over. Each line here is 1 millimeter, so when I get to the 1, that's actually 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters. So if I look at my shape, it looks like right at 1 after 2 or 21, and then it looks like it's right on the line for me, so I'm going to say it's 21.0 millimeters. Alright, and I have to add that estimated value because that is my sig fig. So I said it looked like it was right on the line, so I said 21.0. If you said it's slightly beyond it, you can say 21.2 or 21.1 or whatever you think it is. Alright, next up then, we want to measure the shape in centimeters. Centimeters are also SI, so I'm going to use that same side of my ruler. Same as always, I'm going to line up the 0. And I'm going to record how many whole centimeters I have, which I have 7 whole centimeters. And then I'm going to see it's at the 0.5, and it looks like 0.6. And then I'm going to estimate one more. And that looks like it's right on the 0.6, so I'm going to say 0.60. And then I'm going to record centimeters as my unit. And kind of same thing with our significant figures. I record everything I know for sure, so 7.6, and then this last digit is the estimate. So I said 0.60. If you thought it was a little bit beyond and you said 0.61, that would be okay too.